Today we've got the beginnings of assembly for our new 440 metric ton, 485 US ton travel lift or boat hoist. Our friends from Italy have flown over. Our crew's assembling now. We've got a couple cranes lined up and we'll start putting this monster together.
We're getting the stuff out. We'll start laying it out once we get Dreamcatcher moved, and hopefully we'll get it all together once the tie-ins get here. This morning we're setting the counterweights up on a 275-ton crane so we can pick this front yoke and put the remaining pieces together.
September 12th, 2013, hauling our first boat with our new 440 metric ton, 485 US ton travel lift. Very exciting. It's an easy pick for this lift. We'll be challenging a little bit more in the weeks to come. Today we moved the 130-foot motor yacht Magic into the building using a combination of Brownell Systems and R2 travel lifts. Brownell Systems did their usual very professional job, and our gang, which is a very tightly knit group right now, was there to help along the way. So the combination of the two made a very successful, very safe move into the building. So the pace continues to be brisk this fall, and hopefully that'll continue well into the winter.